Hello, good morning. Hola, buenos dias. I hope you all are doing well. I miss you every day. I think about you. Les extraño mucho. Espero que estén bien y diariamente pienso en ustedes. So hopefully these activities today give you some practice and some fun things to do. Espero que estas actividades son buena práctica y también una diversión para ustedes. Today we're still working in the week 1 packet, but we're going to do day 3. Es la primera semana del paquete, pero ahora estamos en día número 3. We're going to do 2 activities with letters and sounds, dos actividades con letras y sonidos. Then we're going to read the book Sounds Around Us and do an activity about sounds. Leemos un libro sobre sonidos y hacemos una actividad con sonidos. And then we're going to do one with that smells, que algo huele, y una actividad también, and then an activity with that too. Let's get started. So if you scroll down, go to your next pages. Today we're working on the letter I that makes the sound E. Favor de repetir conmigo. I, E. Like the name Tim, como el nombre Tim. Tim sits on a hill. I have my Tim, sits, hill. Tim hits the ball. Tim has a mitt. And mitt es el nombre del como guante que uno usa en baseball. So, these are our sentences. Now, we want to make the connections. Tim can hit. Tim sits on a mat. Where is a mat? I know mat is like the carpet. Oh, here it is. It's like a little carpet. Tab, the cat, sits on the mitt. Here's a mitt. No. Yes. Tab sits on the mitt. Tim has a mitt. A cat sits on a hill. You can hit pause and say all of the words and do the activity. Now we have another page. I'm still working on my I sound. For is or is not. Como es, no es. Está, no está. So this dog is big. This dog is not big. He's little. This boy is sad. This girl is not sad. This boy is mad. The girl is not mad. This pan is hot. This ice is not hot. Now, you guys are going to write is or is not. Okay. So look at my picture. Tim, mad. Yo sé que mad es como enojado. Sí, él está enojado. So I write Tim is mad. The pan, hot. No, hot. Yes. The van, big. It, yes, is big, or no, is not big. Nan, she is sad, or she is not sad. The cat is big, or is not big. Great job. Now, we're going to do our first book, Sounds All Around Us. Today, my page looks like your pages. Sounds all around. Sonidos. We're going to do sounds in school. Which things make loud sounds? Which things make soft sounds? What things make sounds in your school? ¿Cuáles cosas hacen sonidos en tu escuela? Here's some vocabulary. And look at sounds. Here's a flute. Clap our hands. Guitar. Violin. And whisper. Sounds at home. Which things make loud sounds? Which things make soft sounds? What things make sounds in your home? So in your house, hay unas cosas que hacen sonidos muy fuertes, loud sounds, or soft sounds. Here's more words. Bird, tree frog, cricket, coyote, wave. Those are sounds in nature. Which things make loud sounds? Which things make soft sounds? What things make sounds in nature near you? In my house, I can hear birds. In the morning, they're kind of loud. Tweet, 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 tweet. At night, I hear crickets. They're soft sounds. Chirp, 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 chirp. Here's more vocabulary. Cell phone, toothbrush, blender, dog, vacuum cleaner. Sounds in the neighborhood. Which things make loud sounds? Which things make soft sounds? What things make sounds in your neighborhood? Look at this picture. The ambulance. I hear that woo, woo, woo. Loud sounds. Here's some other things. Lawnmower, shears, a garbage truck, ambulance, and train. Now we'll do our activity. Ahora hacemos la actividad. What sounds do you hear? ¿Cuáles sonidos escuchas tú? I want you to think about in your house, on TV, and outside. Yo creo que ustedes piensen de sus casas, en la televisión alrededor, y también en la escuela. So you can have a quiet whisper, shh, or a noisy drum. I hear a loud horn. What do you hear? ¿Qué escuchas tú? Say what sounds you like. ¿Cuáles sonidos te gusta? Okay. So here, do you see the picture? It says, I hear, yo escucho, yo oigo, music. How do I say music in Spanish? You know. So I hear loud music. And this picture, it looks like I hear loud music again, or I hear the drum. In this picture, I hear a quiet whisper, or I hear people talking. Ooh. I hear more music, so I hear music. Good job. Now we did sounds around us and sounds. Now we're going to do book number 3. This smells. So when I look at this picture, I see a bear. To smell a flower. That's nice. Whoa, this smells. These are words we'll see. Bad, clean, limpio. Oh, dirty, sucio. Smells, huele. Sour, ácido. Sweet, dulce. Let's say them again. Please repeat after me. Bad, clean, dirty, smells, sour, sweet. Okay. Wow, this smells so sour. This smells so sweet. This smells so old. This smells so new. This smells so dirty. This smells so clean. This smells so bad. This smells so good. So now you can think about things in your house. Pueden pensar en cosas en sus casas que huelen. You can hit pause, reescuchar el libro, re-listen to the book, and then go ahead and you can read it with me. Now this is our last activity. Aquí es la última actividad. Our smells. Ooh, a sweet flower. A clean towel. Rotten garbage. And fresh bread. Oh, I smell a stinky sock. What do you smell? ¿Qué hueles tú? Let's see this picture. I smell stinky socks. Socks son calcetines o medias. Stinky, que huele mal. What is this? Yes, a flower. I smell sweet flower. Or you can say, I smell a flower. What does she have? Yes, a towel. Toalla. See, I smell a towel. Or I smell a clean towel. Ooh, what's that? Garbage. Basura. I smell, yo huelo, I smell garbage. Or I smell rotten garbage. Great job, guys. You finished day 3. Jamesy, good job.
Good job.
Bye.
Mama, you forgot to know.
Oh, yeah, that was rotten garbage. Jamesy, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.